Hi Kapil, this is basically dry ice. So could you guide how it is beneficial for our ice cream industry and especially for small scale of ice cream ice cream partners like
Like who is
parlors and
manufacturing ice creams and everything.
yeah, and transferring a little bit quantity from here to there. So how it is like what is its
The use of
form and how to use
Sure,
it
sure, sure.
and
So I'm just gonna zoom on this so you can see the it is evaporating and the you can see the smoke is going on. Smoke is running. So this is a kind of dry ice. It is being used here in Shatabdi also because just to maintain the good temperature of ice cream or some freezer products. So it is it has a very good use of while we have to transport anything like ice cream or some frozen foods. So it basically maintains the temperature of those products. So I mean this is very good for some ice cream manufacturers and some some small players. So हम बस यही आपको सब बताना चाहते हैं कि ये बहुत ही beneficial products है.
and tell me like how many hours it can sustain our ice cream. Like if I have to travel, if I have to transport my ice cream for 12 hours, so is it sufficient? Like is it maintain the temperature
Yeah.
for 12 hours?
So means it depends on the quantity. If the product is around maybe 20 kg or 30 kg, so we need at least 5 kg of dry ice for that. So it can be we can use that products up to 24 hours. I mean it will remain in the same temperature if the dry ice is being used along with that. So this is a kind of this. I mean this is the purely kind of it is a gas. It is basically in carbon dioxide, and with that machine it is basically in the form of dry ice. We cannot hold this so long because I mean it can burn my skin. So I have
It's
to
just
place
a kind
it.
of chemical reaction or whatever it is.
Definitely. I mean it can burn typically. My fingers can burn.
You should not nail it.
Inhale it. Okay.
Yeah.
You should not inhale it.
Yes.
Yeah. We cannot inhale it because it's a carbon dioxide. It's a purely gas. It is basically in the form of ice.
One more thing, like if we are transporting any kind of goods like raw meat, frozen foods,
ये वीडियो खराब करने की
Meet
बारी
this crazy friend.
so raw food, ice cream, raw meat, ice cream, or any other thing. So just tell me one thing: how to pack that particular consignment, because it is very important.
Yeah.
How to use it? Like
Yeah.
if I am
So we have to
transporting.
basically we have to box it very in a very like in a kind of corrugation box or some kind of plastic box.
Or thermocol is, I
or
guess, the
thermocol.
best,
I think
huh?
thermocol is the best. So to I mean we can pack any fishes like kind of non-veg foods or any frozen food which we have to maintain for which we have to maintain the temperature. So I mean this this dry ice, so temperature will be controlled and we can transport from Delhi to anywhere in India, anywhere within 24 to 48 hours. In fact, it depends on the quantity and means if we have to hold the temperature for 48 hours, then we have to increase the quantity of dry ice because it is ultimately through smoke it is being reduced anytime. So we have to keep it in a box.
Normal ice get melted and it seems in the form of water.
Water.
Now
It-
it's melted. It is seems in the form of
Smoke.
Smoke. Okay.
Yeah, it is I mean every time it is being evaporated and
And the container must
container
need
should
to
be airtight.
Airtight.
We have
with
to
tape,
keep it
yeah.
with a tape or
So
some
this
kind
gas remain inside that particular container.
of yeah.
Okay. And what is going to be the size of that particular ice cubes or whatever it is? Like because I see that particular dry ice came in rectangular brick type of shape. So
Yeah.
we need to put that particular brick or we need to break it because
We have to break it because if we put that in the brick shape or anything like in a rectangle shape or something, so maybe it cannot be because it's we have to break this just to maintain the temperature. Otherwise, maybe I mean if it does not smoke or it does not, so maybe temperature can abuse. So I mean to control the temperature, it should be in little parts, kind of this we can see, or a little bit bigger.
okay.
So this is the real form of this. I mean, I think
get-
you guys are now understand what is the
And
use
I
of this
think
dry ice.
it must be very beneficial for small scale ice cream manufacturers and others, those who want to transport their ice cream to longer distance.
Yeah, not only ice cream, anything
And
which
one
is
more thing,
related to refrigeration.
eventually any damn thing service, utilization of anything comes to the cost of the material.
Yeah.
So could you please guide us how it cost
So basically, the cost is very means supplier to supplier. Somebody is selling maybe 50 rupees a kg, and somebody is selling 100 rupees a kg. So it depends. Means the production
max up
size.
to 100 kg.
Yeah, maximum price is 100 rupees a kg. So it depends. It means the production size and the production batches of that particular supplier. So it starts from 50 rupees. So you can easily get somewhere from 50 rupees or somewhere from 50 to 100. It varies from 50 to 100 only.
And one more thing, if someone want to avail it, can he contact you? Like
Yeah,
if,
I mean easily
you can
we
provide the contacts of
I can-
suppliers.
Yeah, there are so many dry ice manufacturer here in Delhi and Ghaziabad and maybe anywhere because it's a kind of machine. I mean just they are manufacturing it through catching gases to converting into the blocks.
So guys, I hope this particular video is very
Beneficial for you.
beneficial and informative for all of you, and all our ice cream traders and manufacturer can use this particular thing. Those who are not aware about this, and those who want to, sometimes people want to send their ice creams to their family members, not only for the
So they
purpose
can
of
easily
trading, they can transport it
Yeah.
through general
They can
couriers.
even gift ice cream products or some frozen products
Yeah.
by using this dry ice.
They can, like, use case of ice cream can be wider by
This product.
particular thing.
Yeah, definitely.
One last thing I just want to know, because it's chemical eventually, is it going to harmful for the product in any sense? Like my final product which I am going to consume, which customers is going to consume, because from the time I have put it in my hand, there are like the smoke, it is kind of like it is making me
Little bit unconscious.
unconscious.
So I mean,
So
you
yeah.
cannot directly touch this dry ice, or because it is. अभी थोड़ी देर में बताऊँ। It is. I mean, you cannot touch it directly, and you should not even inhale it because it's a kind of gas which can harm you in
Okay.
any way. So, but if we talk about the product, I mean, it's the smoke.
It is not harmful for
It is
product
not harmful for any product. Your product should be, still you have to pack your products in a way that so that the air should not inhale
entered in the product.
into the product.
That particular product also need to be airtight.
Airtight.
After that container need to be airtight with this dry ice.
But it is not ultimately harmful for those products, so that is why everybody is using it, and infrastructure is getting better now in India through like kind of these products. So
Okay
we can
guys,
say.
hope you enjoy this video.
And this will be informative videos for you guys all, and we'll post it on YouTube and Facebook.
And we'll come with more videos like this in future also
Yeah.
for all of you.
Sure.
So like, subscribe and
share.
share. Bindas Kapil Sharma.
Thank you.